Welcome back to my channel, guys. Now today is National Jollof Day. All right, so in honor of National Jollof Day, I'm gonna go ahead and make Ghana jollof. Come on and let's get started. All right, guys, so traditionally you cannot have jollof rice without any kind of meat. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook some meat, season it very well, cook it on low to medium heat for 20 minutes and pop it in the air fryer 30 minutes on 360 degrees. All right, guys, so this is going to be the base of the jollof rice. You always have to make the stew. Now this is blended onions with 3 tomatoes. Guys, you can go ahead and add garlic or rosemary leaves to it. And now I've added half of tomato paste with a half a can of corned beef, which is very optional. Now, whilst I was cooking the beef, I saved the broth. And guys, this is very important because it gives it a lot of flavor. I went on to add some seasonings, which I'll put in the description box below, and allowed it to cook for 30 minutes. All right, so we are going to cook this for 30 minutes on low heat, guys. Make sure that you cover it up with the paper foil because it traps up the heat, and you need the heat to cook the jollof rice, guys. This is after literally 20 minutes of cooking the jollof rice, and I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes more and my rice will be ready. Guys, my mouth is truly watering just looking at this. Okay, try this simple jollof, easy to make recipe, and let me know how it went, guys. This was truly a banger.